Are you looking for a smartwatch that keeps up with your active lifestyle? Want to track your workouts, monitor your heart rate, and even get personalized insights on your fitness journey? In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about the Google Pixel Watch 3, from its features to its real-world performance. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, Google Pixel Watch 3, a charging cable, and an instruction manual, and an additional large band. If you're interested in the Google Pixel Watch 3, don't worry. I have dropped the link in the description, so you can grab it directly from Amazon. Charge your watch. To charge your Google Pixel Watch 3, bring the magnetic charging puck close to the back of the watch. It will snap into place automatically. Then, plug the USB-C end into a power adapter or USB port. Google Pixel Watch takes about 1 hour to fully charge from 0% to 100%. Set up with app. Start by turning your watch on. First, download the Google Pixel Watch app. A pairing code will appear on the watch. Enter the code into the app. Follow the on-screen instructions to begin setting up your Pixel Watch 2. If you already have a Google account, log in to continue. Health features. Get alerted when you're above or below your resting heart rate. Check your heart rhythm for AFIB from the ECG app and receive irregular heart rhythm notifications. Detect possible changes to your health by tracking your skin temperature, blood oxygen levels, heart rate variability, resting heart rate, and more. Learn about the quality and duration of your previous night's rest with your sleep score. See the time spent in light, deep, and REM stages, and get a monthly analysis from your sleep profile. Fitness feature. Readiness uses sleep, resting heart rate, and heart rate variability to show when you're ready to take on a tough workout or prioritize recovery. Cardio load measures how hard your heart works each day. Compare trends over time to see if you are under or overtraining. Receive a daily target based on your cardio load and readiness levels that's designed to balance recovery with performance. Emergency feature. Pulse detect. The Pixel Watch 3 can prompt a call to life-saving emergency services when loss of pulse is detected during events like cardiac or respiratory arrest. Safety check. Set a timer when you're out that shares your location with chosen contacts if it expires. Emergency sharing. Notify chosen contacts of your location and battery level and if you're already on a call. Medical information. Share your medical details in case of an emergency. Fall detection. First responders can find out if you've had a hard fall. Safety signal. Get safety features with your 4G LTE watch and Fitbit Premium without a data plan or your phone nearby. Specifications. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Google Pixel Watch 3. See you in the next one.